Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying prerequisites. You need a backup and a payment method that works in the destination country. Open Settings, tap your name, and choose Media and Purchases. Sign out if required. Once signed out, go back to Settings, General Language and Region to start changing your region. You do this now because App Store and billing rely on region data. Changing it later without preparing can lock purchases or subscriptions, so make sure these early steps are completed. You'll now change the App Store country. Open App Store and tap your profile icon in the top right. Tap your Apple ID or account, then select country/region and change country or region. Choose the new country from the list, read the terms, and accept them. You'll be prompted to enter a payment method and billing address valid for that country. Enter accurate data because Apple validates this information. Once accepted, your App Store will switch catalogs and available apps will update accordingly. Finish by returning to Settings, General Language and Region to confirm the regional formats and then restart your iPhone to refresh system services. Once rebooted, sign back into Media and Purchases to restore access to purchases and re-enable subscriptions. Verify billing addresses in your accounts. If you run into errors changing country, check for a remaining Apple ID balance, active subscriptions, or unpaid purchases. Apple requires zero balance and cancel.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.